Imagine a car that's faster than a Ferrari, more high-tech than a spaceship, and smarter than any car you've ever seen. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, this car exists, and it's called the Tesla Model S, the most powerful and advanced electric sedan in the world. But hold on, there's one mind-blowing feature that changes everything, and we'll reveal it at the very end. Stay with us, because you won't want to miss it. The Tesla Model S is not just any luxury sedan. It's a performance beast wrapped in elegance. At first glance, it looks sleek, aerodynamic, and futuristic, but every curve and every detail is designed for speed and efficiency. The low-slung, coupe-like profile isn't just for looks. It helps reduce drag, making the Model S one of the most aerodynamically efficient cars in the world. Flush door handles that pop out when needed, giving it a clean, seamless appearance. A full glass roof that stretches across the entire cabin, making the interior feel spacious while protecting passengers from heat and UV rays. Matrix LED headlights that automatically adjust brightness for better visibility at night. And here's something cool. There's no front grille. Since there's no engine, Tesla doesn't need one, making the front look super futuristic. But wait till you see the inside. Section 2. Interior, a tech paradise on wheels. Step inside the Tesla Model S and you'll feel like you've entered a high-tech spaceship. The first thing you'll notice? The 17-inch touchscreen display. This is the control center of the car. No buttons, no clutter, just a clean, modern interface that controls everything from navigation to climate control. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen processor, making it as smooth and fast as a gaming PC. And speaking of gaming, yes, you can actually play AAA games like Cyberpunk 2077 right inside your car. Tesla has turned your sedan into a full-fledged gaming console. Then there's the yoke steering wheel. Inspired by Formula One cars, it gives you a futuristic, high-performance driving experience. And with force touch buttons, you don't even need traditional controls. The seats? They're covered in premium vegan leather, ultra comfortable for long drives. The rear seats are just as luxurious, with dedicated screens for passengers to control media and climate settings. Oh, and did I mention the sound system? The Tesla Model S comes with a 960-watt 22-speaker system, making it one of the best car audio experiences you'll ever hear. But what about performance? Well, this is where things get crazy. Forget everything you know about sedans, because the Tesla Model S is faster than most supercars. There are two versions available. 1. Model S Long Range, dual motor all-wheel drive 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds top speed, 250 kilometers per hour. 2. Model S Plaid, tri-motor all-wheel drive. Yes, 3 motors, 1,020 horsepower, more power than a Lamborghini Aventador. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.99 seconds. Fastest production car in the world. Top speed, 322 kilometers per hour. That means the Model S Plaid is faster than a Bugatti Chiron off the line. And thanks to Tesla's instant torque, there's no delay, just pure explosive acceleration. The Model S also comes with adaptive air suspension, adjusting the car's height for better aerodynamics and handling. But it's not just about speed. Let's talk about how far it can go. One of the biggest concerns with electric cars is range. But with the Tesla Model S, you don't have to worry. The long-range model offers 652 kilometers on a single charge. The Plaid model offers 637 kilometers, even with its insane speed. And when it's time to charge, Tesla's supercharger network makes it incredibly fast. DC fast charging can get you from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. With home charging, you can wake up every morning to a fully charged car. But now, let's talk about the future of driving. The Tesla Model S doesn't just drive fast, it can also drive itself. With Autopilot, the car can stay in its lane automatically, adjust speed based on traffic, change lanes with a single tap, navigate on highways, taking exits on its own. And if you upgrade to Full Self-Driving FSD, the Model S will be able to drive you anywhere without human intervention. That means one day, you could sit back, relax, and let your Tesla drive you to work, to the store, or even on a road trip without touching the wheel? Crazy, right? But wait, We're saving the best feature for last. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. What's the most insane feature of the Tesla Model S? It's called drag strip mode. When you activate drag strip mode, the car prepares its battery for maximum power, adjusts the suspension for the perfect launch, uses advanced torque vectoring for insane acceleration. The result? The fastest 0 to 60 mile per hour time of any production car ever made. That's right. Your family sedan just turned into a drag racing monster. So, is the Tesla Model S the greatest electric car ever made? It's faster than a supercar, it's smarter than any car on the road, and it's packed with mind-blowing technology. But what do you think? Would you buy a Tesla Model S? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.